Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making liver potato curry. Oil 2 tablespoon, whole spices, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat, green chilies 1, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, liver 500 grams, potato half cup, chopped tomato half cup, tomato paste 1 tablespoon optional, turmeric half tablespoon, salt as per taste, red chilli 2 tablespoon, coriander 1 tablespoon. Mix everything, saute for 1 minute, close the lid, cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Water 1 cup, close the lid, cook on medium heat for 10 minutes. Now add coconut milk half cup or coconut paste. Now it's ready to serve with roti. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Coriander top. Thanks for watching. See ya, bye.